Michael had a habit, a toxic one. Every time life demanded something of him, discipline, courage, effort, he reached for his favorite shield, an excuse. He mastered the art of explaining away his failures. Late for work, traffic. Missed the gym, I was too tired. Business idea, the timing wasn't right. On the surface, Michael wasn't lazy. He worked a job, paid his bills, kept up appearances. But deep down, he knew the truth. He was living a watered-down version of life. Every dream he once had was suffocating under a pile of polished excuses. Someday, he'd whisper. Maybe when I have more time. Maybe when I have more money. Maybe when life finally gives me a break. But someday never came. The truth? Michael wasn't unlucky. He wasn't cursed. He wasn't waiting for the perfect time. He was afraid. Afraid to fail. Afraid to look stupid. Afraid to admit that he alone was responsible. Excuses were his comfort zone, his warm blanket. They allowed him to play small without guilt, at least for a little while. But excuses come with a price, a heavy one. By 32, Michael was still stuck in the same apartment, same job title, same body, carrying the weight of skipped workouts and fast food binges, same shallow friendships. Because he avoided the ones who reminded him of his wasted potential, life didn't hate him. He hated himself. Quietly, secretly, in ways he couldn't admit out loud. One Saturday morning, Michael woke up groggy. After another night of Netflix binges, he dragged himself to the mirror and studied the reflection. Tired eyes, an older face, and the spark, the one he used to have in his 20s, was gone. And then, something hit him. A whisper, so sharp, so clear it startled him. You're the reason your life sucks. No one else. He wanted to fight back. He wanted to argue. But this time, he couldn't. The excuses felt hollow now. Empty. The lies were running out of space. That morning, sitting on the edge of his bed, Michael felt something rare. Not sadness, not frustration, but shame. The deep, cutting shame of realizing he had been the jailer of his own prison. And that was the beginning. Not the Hollywood epiphany, not some magical turnaround, but the gritty, uncomfortable truth. His life would remain pathetic unless he owned it.